In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can legally get Minecraft actions and stuff for free. Before we even dive into anything, I just want to say this method follows both YouTube terms of service and Mojang terms of service. There's going to be no sketchy sites, no mods, no hacks. But before we dive into the actual method, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, no matter what platform you're on, you're going to want to open up a web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you like. And what you're going to want to do is actually go to Microsoft Rewards. Open up this section right here, select that top link, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and look for About Microsoft Rewards and select it just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And what you're going to want to select is Start Earning right here. From here, go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account that is linked to your Minecraft Bedrock Edition account and wait for it to load. And you're going to see a section that looks something like this. This is going to be your daily dashboard, and things like daily sets, quizzes, polls, and a bunch of rewards are going to be on here. Essentially, you're going to want to go ahead and do these daily quests right here. The key is consistency. Points do stack up a lot over time, so doing this every single day is where you're going to make real progress. But essentially, once you have enough points, you're going to want to go to this little redeem tab right here and just either search or scroll until you see minecoins on here. And as you can see, 330 minecoins is not that much points, and I can actually go ahead and get myself a pretty decent amount right now if I want to. After you do redeem these, go ahead and just back out, head back to Minecraft. You might have to restart, and then head back over to actions and stuff and just redeem it for some minecoins and you are good to go. This is the legit free method using Microsoft Rewards. Once again, this doesn't break YouTube TOS or Mojang TOS. And before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.